So since a lot of you asked me this one question, I thought I'll just make a reel of it so that you can come back to it again and again, and this is your one stop for resources on Indian psychology. However, I realized that it is not possible to share so many resources on just one reel. So I was thinking that if you're interested, we can have a webinar kind of a thing where I can just share all the resources that I have or what I find helpful on Indian psychology, and you can explore them as well. But for now, here I'll be sharing with you a list of books, and especially the names of a few people that you should definitely know as students of psychology in India, or even as students who are interested in Indian psychology, because their contributions are too significant to be ignored. And the first one on the list is someone we already know. It is Professor Girishwar Mishra. This is a very fundamental book. All of us know it. It's by Robert Barron and Girishwar Mishra, sir. And significant book, but it's the person here. He's an encyclopedia in himself, Girishwar sir. The amount of work that he has done in this lifetime, it's incredible. So do yourself a favor, go read his books, his research papers, see his videos, watch his videos, and you'll get to learn a lot. I am also learning. The second one is somebody जिनकी मेरे पास book नहीं है, but उनके online resources I keep on exploring, and that is Dr. Matthias Cornelissen. He is the founder of Indian Psychology Institute. We call it IPI. Go explore their website. It's one of the most significant and reliable resources on Indian psychology out there, and you can thank me later. The third one is this book. I hope some of you will know it. Most of you will know it, I guess, because it's very popular on LinkedIn now. It's Psychology in the Indian Tradition by K. Ramakrishna Rao sir and Anand Paranjpe sir. So yeah, explore their works as well. They have dedicated their entire lives to this discipline, and we'll get to learn a lot. These works can feel a bit theoretical sometimes because they are theory heavy. So I have a person जिनके तुम videos देख सकते हो, books पढ़ सकते हो. They feel simple and give you a very clear understanding of the concepts of Indian psychology. And this is Pravrajika Divyanand Prana ji. We call her Mata ji because she's a nun of the Ramakrishna order. And you can explore her videos on YouTube. This is a compilation of those videos only. And she's explained all the topics related to Indian psychology so well from the Yoga Vedanta perspective. You will fall in love with her. Go explore her videos, all available free of cost. And the last but not the least, this is the latest book that I have to study. Maybe I can study and give you a review. That way I'll also be motivated. It's a book by Professor Mala Kapadia. It's called the Bharatiya Manas Shastra. I love the name. You can buy your copies and explore it as well. Let's see how it is. But yeah, it's amazing. And she's also doing some real good work. There are a lot of people doing some real good work, and I would like to talk more about it. But in case you are interested in something like this and you would want a webinar on this, let me know. Just comment down interested and we can fix something, and I'll share the